Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to differentiate the inverse cos of x, okay? And the way we would do this first is we've got to think about just sort of making it into steps, okay? Once you know this, it's very straightforward. So the first thing you want to do is you want to let y equal the inverse cos of x, okay? Now we can visibly see that cos y is x. And now the next thing we want to do here is we want to differentiate each side, okay, with respects to x. So if I just flip this around just to make things easier and more visible, I guess, I would just say that I would write it like this. I would write x is equals to cos y. And now differentiating each side, so dx dy, so differentiating with respect to y here. And now if you know this already, if you remember this, the differential of cos of y is minus sine of y. So we just put that in there. And now what we do is, we just flip that on its head kind of thing, and we do this. So dy by dx is going to be minus 1 over sine y, okay? And hopefully you're happy with this. Let's just go through it one more time. So what I've done first is I've let y equal the inverse cos of x, and then I said that cos y is x. Then I said x is equals to cos y, and then dx by dy is minus sine y, because we differentiated cos y to give us minus sine y. Then we just flip that on its head, so dy dx is minus 1 over sine y. And now what we'd like to do is, so it's a bit of almost a trick really, and that is to just write, that minus 1 over sine y as equaling minus 1 over the square root of 1 minus cos squared y. And the reason why I did this is because if you look at your trigonometric identities, we would know that sine squared of y plus cos squared of y equals 1, and then, rearranging that, I would get sine y is just going to be 1 minus cos squared y, all square rooted. And now the reason as to why I did this is because now, hold on, we already know what cos y is. We've defined it up here. X is equals to cos y. So now what we do is we take that here, okay? So now we take that result and we say that that is equals to minus 1 divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared, because it's cos squared y. Cos y is equals to x, so therefore cos squared y will be x squared. And that's a minus, so that's our result, okay? And now that we've done this all, we can finally say that d dx of the inverse cos of x is just minus 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And that's it, that's our final result. I'm going to put this in red. Okay, thank you for making it to the end of this tutorial. Hopefully now you understand and know how to do this. If you like my videos, if you like this video, please go check out some of my other videos on YouTube. And share it around, like, comment, subscribe, and what do they say at the end of it? Like for the YouTube algorithm, that's the one. Thank you very much, and goodbye.